that smells good. Got the charger, plug. That's it. No earbuds. That's cute. Mess here. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna add my Gmail account or whatever, get this whole thing set up, and then hopefully we'll be able to start drawing and stuff. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.